Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore amended return workflow with TurboTax Amend step by step clearly. Open TurboTax on your computer or device. Sign in to your TurboTax account. Navigate to the Your Taxes section of the main dashboard. Select the tax return you want to amend. Click on the option labeled Amend a Return. Follow the on-screen prompts to confirm you want to start the amendment process. Review your original tax return details for accuracy. Identify the specific areas needing updates or corrections. Make the necessary changes in each section as prompted. Pay close attention to any changes in income, deductions, or credits. Once you've completed your edits, move to the Review section. TurboTax will run a check for any errors or missing information. Address any flagged issues before proceeding. After corrections are made, click on the File button. Select the option to file your amended return electronically. TurboTax may require you to complete additional forms for the amendment. Review your amended return for final accuracy. Once satisfied, finalize the filing process. Keep a copy of your amended return and any additional documentation. Monitor your email for confirmation from the IRS regarding your amendment. This concludes the amendment workflow using TurboTax. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.